Is everything good? Can someone confirm that my voice is clear? So in this live we are going to see Bitcoin in the live session, especially now in Asia session. We will see it like the most important stuff that's already happened during the funding rate news and all of this kind of news that came out in the last 24 hours. So now I'm looking at Bitcoin at 15 minutes time frame. So basically, as you see here, in the previous day we trade above the value area high, we reject from it. That's kind of bearish sign for the market. So yeah, that's main idea. And because of the news here, the market just came down to take out the previous daily low. So that's yeah, we see if anyone trade here, it's just kind of gambling because the news, you know. As you see here, like some kind of sell side sitting below this equal lows, and yeah, they drop below it, and then they gather all the stop losses. So what is the specific areas for us today is the value area low of the previous session. Now I'm talking about Bitcoin 15 minutes, and this is the session volume from here to here. So that's kind of the point that you need to pay attention to it. So if we go above that, that's kind of not resisting, actually it's kind of changing the trend from going lower to yeah, going to attack this kind of low resistance liquidity, as you see here. So that's the main focus that you need to pay attention to it, especially the POC of the previous daily. So your bias should be like, you have to look for opportunities and like buying opportunities when the market is inside of this kind of range. So the market here, it has no reason to go all the way again to take out the daily low, especially in this condition. So at least we are going to trade into the POC, not like the daily high of yesterday. You don't need that, you just need this kind of movement that will be quickly, and maybe if you get some kind of displacement above the value area high, yes, you can target all-time high, which is this one. Now I'm talking about Bitcoin, obviously. So that's the main idea that you have to pay attention. So yeah, that's my idea right now. If anyone have a question, you can free to ask me in the comment. And yeah, that's my idea right now in Bitcoin. So tomorrow I'm going also for live in the early morning in New York. But today we'll just like have a quick bias for my thinking. And yeah, like the volume profile, guys, is the way that to understand the market behavior, like in this specific day, because it's the funding rate day. We have like some kind of seek and destroy. The market seek liquidity here, destroy it, again seek liquidity here, destroy it. So that's telling you the market is not yet ready to move in any direction. And this is actually bad for the people who trade like short-term trading. And yeah, Muhammad, hello brother. So yeah, anyone have a question, feel free to comment in the comment section. You ask me anything you want. So that's my idea for now in Bitcoin, basically. And if we talk about the previous day, which is this one, I think, yes, Monday. So Monday we have some kind of accumulation here at the beginning of the day, displacing higher, manipulating everyone to go in higher. we form some kind of value area high here. So yeah, anyone who went buy above the value area here has went trapped. So that's they were Rachel being trapped in buy positions, and then yeah, as you see the market it start rejecting from the value area high. This was a bearish signature in the marketplace, and then the market dropped all the way to take out this low. Wait, to take out this low and this low, and to trade into the POC. So this kind of signature you can trade them as opportunities, like here in New York. So yeah, so that's one could work perfectly. And yeah, and of course if you have like indication of displacement lower, you can use some kind of indicators for that. CVD, cumulative volume delta. If you want me to explain how to use that indicator and also open interest, you can comment in the comment section, and I'm going to create a video for that in the next days, or in the weekend, whatever. So that's kind of yeah, that's kind of idea that you have to look for. So for now, as you see, Bitcoin is trying to break through this value area low of the previous day. That's going to be bullish signature if we break through, okay, and it can easily target this kind of POC here. So yeah, so my point of view is just going for the buy. I'm not looking at sell at all, uh, especially with this kind of seek and destroy day, which is today. So yeah, anyone has a question, guys, ask me in the comment question, or like the live if you like the things that I'm explaining here. So, and by the way, is my voice very clear or not? Can someone in the comments confirm that? One thing in the next days, because this kind of deal that the United States has made, it's actually like not helping Bitcoin, it's actually damaging Bitcoin. So that's, yes, it's clear, Osama. Thank you so much, brother. So that's kind of deal. It's damaging Bitcoin. It's not helping Bitcoin in any way. So yeah, if anyone like anticipate the Bitcoin to move lower, that he will be punished at least. So yeah, because a lot of people when they see the deal, they say, okay, the Bitcoin is over. Why? Because I don't want to tell the government using Bitcoin, because this is no, I'm not going to blame anyone for using Bitcoin, but they are using Bitcoin in bad stuff, most of governments, okay. So that's what make Bitcoin go down, especially when the funding rate's fixed. You don't have to care if the funding rate fixed, up, cut, no one cares, and you should not care, because it's nonsense. So never trust the news. Obviously, never trust their data, because it's actually fake. So, but you have to trust the smart money. Imagine reading this day, okay? Have just read this last day. What we have trapped the buyer above the POC, which is here and here, and we have trapped it sell. Anyone who went selling today Bitcoin, he probably sells something around this price level. I'm not talking about me and you, no, watching the live, no. I'm talking about most of people that went for sell. Actually, when they see this kind of move candle, big one, fair value gap, even if it's not a fair value gap, they will sell. So yeah, and all of them being trapped in these price levels. So once the market hits this value area low, which is this one, let me put it yeah, in yellow and make it very small. Once the market hit inside of it, it actually is not looking to balance anything here. It's actually looking for the POC here and that high as a buy side. And this is I'm telling you, this is low resistance liquidity, we can actually speed up. So yeah, this is my point of view, and it's not like an advice to buy or sell, whatever. So just me reading and explain to you what I'm looking at the chart. So anyone have a question, guys, you can feel free to ask me in the comment section. So let's see if you want me to explain more how to use the volume profile, I can do it. So yeah, we are stay here maybe like extra 10 minutes, 20 minutes, then maybe we can move. So tomorrow in early morning in New York, I think it's 6 or 7 New York morning, we will have another live. So you can feel free to ask me any question. Okay. Ask me any language. I speak 4 languages. You can go French, English, Arabic, whatever. Whatever language you speak, I speak. Even if I don't speak, I can understand. At least if it's related to trading. So yeah. Okay. So that's my idea now about Bitcoin. So let's move to gold. Let's see what we can read. Gold today. Let me delete some kind of stuff here. So gold today. Okay. And all of this week, by the way, gold was accumulation during the Monday, Tuesday. It's like a D shape. And this is accumulation. Manipulation to the upside, trapping retail to buy to make them put their stop loss below this low, below this low, below this low. And this is exactly what's happened. Boom. Take them all out. So imagine now, this is now the daily, this is now the thing that I want you to see. It's happening now in gold, but we missed it, guys. As you see here, we have once the daily session closed, we have the value area low, we have the value area high, we have the POC. Look, the same thing. Once we break through, immediately we'll run to the POC. Okay, and yeah, it can easily go also for the value area high. And yeah, that's the idea that you have to look for, like just this kind of movement here. It will be simple because you already know the people who went for the sale being trapped here. Look, this is the value area low and this is low volume node. Everyone is selling, everyone expecting the market to move wherever the direction they want, and yeah, the market did not give them that. And we form a fair value gap there. In 15 minutes we trade to wait, we reject, we get inside the value area, and then we run immediately to the POC. So this is easy hanging fruit, as the people talking about. And yeah, that's kind of idea you have to and you have to pay attention to it, not just trying to sell here wherever, buy sell. So that's will damage your brain and damage your ability to think clearly, because this is D shape. Anyone who trades Monday, Tuesday, is out from the market during this day. Because anyone who work like a normal strategy, which is a breakout, this kind of trend line, everyone went for breakout there. So even if you buy all the way there, you will move your stop loss to this lows, because you will trust the idea that you are bullish. And this is bad. When people trust something, they are out. Boom, take them all out. So the smart money being in here, so now I think they are really heavy to take out the high, especially in this 1 hour 21. They have some kind of volume coming into the marketplace. Yeah, that will make the market actually at least move to the POC. Now they're already nearly from it, and maybe for the value area high. maybe they can retest all the way to somewhere here. And look at the same pattern here in Ethereum and in Bitcoin, sorry, not Ethereum. Yeah, they are trying to break through this value area that I'm talking about. So if we break through aggressively, they can easily run to that. This is exactly what's happening in Bitcoin. It's not a financial advice, by the way, but yeah, you have to just understand the pattern and how the pattern actually, not the pattern, just the way that you have to read the market, because the market is like an auction. Yesterday auction, the lowest part from the value area, which is this price, anything below it is very cheap. So when a buyer come to buy there above it and he choose to buy inside of here, he actually is not looking to go lower, he actually looking for to the POC, because he know this price is very cheap, so he easily can buy from here and he sell it for these guys. So this is the way that you have to read the market. And it's back to gold. Anyone here have a question? So okay, anyone here have a question, guys? Nasdaq, let's see Nasdaq. Nasdaq today, okay, also close below the value area low, which is a little bit some kind of bad, because we closed there and now we are in. So and there we are more likely to take out these highs because it's low resistance liquidity now in Nasdaq, but he will make you suffer here, okay, because it's very like obvious for anyone to come to the marketplace now and he buy to take out the high, but no, it will not happen that easy. At least he will stuck here in a range until London open. And by the way, this is a what does it color, so I don't know. Okay, this blue shielded area, it's a fair value gap in 4H. It actually happened in 10 o'clock New York time, so this fair value gap is very powerful. And yeah, let's see all of this from one day. We just start putting the volume profile so we can understand what's really going on. And before that, let's see like that. We have a POC, we have some kind of accumulation. Whenever you find a pump and then like POC at the bottom of it, it's like some kind of buyers, aggressive buyer being interrupted at the top. This is actually bad for the market. It's not good at all. So normally in the next day you expect something like that, a displacement below the value area low. This is like confirmation to move lower or manipulate higher above that one. Like now if you are in Nasdaq, we manipulate this one, creating some kind of SMT with the ES, and then the market easy trade to the value area low. So this is easy trade from here to this to value area low in this day, because we have in the daily open was some kind of consolidation in Asia, and then London was a manipulation, and then 8:30 the market start displacing lower below the short-term lows. So and then the market like just go lower, and the next day, which is this one, if we see the price is rejecting from where, from the value area low here, and yeah, the value area low of the previous day, which is this one, and the fair value gap in 4H that we have in. So the price is just like some kind of respecting them all day today, then yeah, it deliver another low. So I am expecting to be bullish if we get above these price levels. So yeah, we can easily trade into this POC. So these levels, it's easy hanging fruit, okay, for anyone to go for buys in this one in the Nasdaq, by the way. from around of this price to the POC is very easy. Like it will be very easy, very like speed pump. You can call it whatever you want, and like clear delivery. So it's not going to stress your mind whatever. So that's kind of place that you want to trade. I'm not predicting the market to reverse here or whatever. No, you don't try to chase the lows, because that one it will hurt you more than it will benefit you. So yeah, that's me thinking like that, because here it's very low volume. It's as it's speed here, it will speed here. Like because it's speed here, it's speed here, it will speed here. So that the same thing, because the market, it's when the market makers define the auction to be below around of this price level and around the price levels, the easy go to this when they bought, of course. So yeah, if we are looking to all these circumstances, we normally see some kind of relation with Bitcoin and Nasdaq and gold also. And let's see oil. Oil today has made very bad move. Okay, this is a 4H fair value gap. Let's just remove this line because okay, this is weekly whatever. Okay, let's put this volume profile from this to this so we can understand what we are talking about. So the same thing as Nasdaq did, the POC at the bottom in Tuesday session volume. So a lot of people trapped it here. As I said to you, the easy hanging fruit is what? Waiting for the market to manipulate the low and then reverse. Or if the market displays above the value area high, you can easily go for the previous daily high. So here it's like a speed bump. So we didn't get this one here. We actually moved below the value area, below the previous daily low here, and then we just trade all the way to that value area. As you see, we moved through that in London, in New York we're on higher. Here again, if you see the daily candle, the session volume, what you have actually to understand this is manipulation. Okay, and the second thing that you have to pay attention to it is this auction, this value area low, this one. Okay, we manipulate people right above this one, everyone trapping for a buy whatever, and then the market come all the way. So if the auction is actually going to move as lower, what is more likely to happen? Maybe you can trade here again all the way here, and then if you see some kind of respect into that value area high of this one, yes, here you can trade breakout, okay, for more lower prices. But if we just go through it, okay, through it aggressively like that, and we start trading below that, this is bad. This is actually bearish, very bearish. So I am preferring to stay aside until we can some kind of reject from the value area high, and then it already did here, but before the session close, I am preferring the next day. So that's my thinking here in oil. And anyone here have a question? Anyone here have a question? And is everything clear, by the way? Anyone have a question? So tomorrow morning stay like tuned and feel free to subscribe in my channel. And tomorrow we will have another live with more information, by the way. So day by day you will understand a lot about the volume profile and how to use it, and we will go deeply with the volume stuff, volume indicators, like open interest, funding rate, and also CVD, cumulative volume delta. We are going to explain all of this kind of stuff, how to understand the diversion, and yeah, okay, how you can also understand and catch the reversals with actually looking at the real stuff, not just candles, because the candles actually are telling just the price tag, so it's nothing there actually to understand. But the volume and time is what make the market move. The volume and time, other stuff is just a noise. And yeah, so anyone has a question? Anyone here have a question, guys? And if anyone here like this is my telegram, this is my telegram user. If you want to contact with me, you can ask any question or whatever. So that's this is my telegram. So yeah, this is my telegram username, so you can contact me there. Yeah, if you want to join my telegram, I can add you there also. It's free. I'm sharing the trading ideas there and my analysis. So yeah, feel free to join. So anyone here have a question? Okay, let's just open some kind of okay glass. Okay, let's just look for some kind of Bitcoin stuff. Let's just copy that, and then yeah, maybe like see what we can have here, and then yeah, maybe so maybe some kind of stuff, because Bitcoin, let's see Bitcoin, where is Bitcoin? Yeah, so let's just see here what we can have. So yeah, we have here in Bitcoin, we have some kind of levels of liquidation around no, this one, no, this one Ethereum. Let's move to Bitcoin. That one. Okay. Okay. Great. We have some kind of liquidations level that the already markets tapped here around of 65 to 100. Another one here 64 600 out. Now we have these guys, but I don't think the market will reach all the way there. Why? Because the CVD telling us another story. Look, CVD, it's cumulative volume delta. As you see, it's showing some kind of diversion here. Price hasn't been the lower low, and cumulative volume delta failed to do that, and this is a divergence, and this is like some kind of bullish confirmation, but it's not yet confirmed, because as you see the cumulative volume delta still low. It shows some kind of rise, and then you can confirm this is like a reversal. And yes, so let me just give you a quick example about that in 1 minute, because you can find a lot of interest using that in 1 minute. So let's see. Okay, like this one. As you see here, the market make a lower low in the marketplace, and the cumulative volume does not make a lower low. This is divergence actually, and to give you at the bottom of that and then you have some kind of pump in the market before the funding rate came out, but at least you get some kind of movement from the low. Let's just put some kind of red box through that. You like just like some kind of confirmation, okay, for your bias. Yeah, you see, you confirm that with the liquidation levels, cumulative volume delta. So yeah, it actually give you some kind of bullish stuff to actually take that high, that high. So that's, this is easy trade to take. And yeah, let's see, maybe the market now will do the same, because this is not actually a clear breakout, because if we break through some kind of low, we need to consolidate below it, and we stay below this low by the body. But as you see, the body now it just came inside, so this is not a good sign for bearishness. And we have the diversion, so this is maybe like a reversal pattern. To confirm that, you have some kind, you need to see some kind of displacement, at least above the value area high, which is this one. So we are no longer going to work with the previous day, we are going to work just in yesterday. So this high, this value area, if we trade above it, more likely we are going to take this high. So this is a bullish signature in CVD, and yeah, you can just see a pattern or wherever you like to trade, or session or time, whatever, I don't know. So yeah, that's me thinking like that, and we can easily reach to 68,500, because this is my target, because we have there a daily fair value gap around of that. So the market usually trade into that. So yeah, that's kind of idea. So if you have no question, guys, now I'm going to go in the next live. We are going to go deeply into that, and we see. So have a nice day, good night.